Hey, this is Colin Smith from Video Revealed. I thought I'd just take a moment to reach out for two reasons. First reason, as always, to say thank you. Thanks to everyone who watches our show, everyone that supports us, the ones that go the extra effort to subscribe, thank you very much, and all of our wonderful PayPal donors that continually support us here on Video Revealed. Everything you do is so wonderful and very much appreciated. The second reason I want to reach out is I would like to send out a request for tutorial ideas. Not that I can't come up with things, it's just that the things that people do with video are so varied and broad and all over the place with social media and such that I can't cover everything and I miss a lot of things. So when I have someone come and ask me about a certain tutorial idea, sometimes it's such a simple thing that I never even thought that it should be a good tutorial, and then I make it into a tutorial. But other times I'm alerted to things that I wasn't aware of. Maybe they're social media channels or effects or things that people are doing that you want to learn how to do, and you want to learn in the simple, most effective way like we do here on Video Revealed. So the comments are below. Please give me a very clear description of what you want me to show you, and if you can have a link to an example, that makes it even better. Hey, I really hope that everyone out there is staying safe and staying home and doing everything they can to protect themselves and reaching out to their loved ones and friends when they can. I know I miss my daughter greatly. My wife's hair cutting skills are getting better, even though she's not a hairstylist at all, but she's doing her best job. So let's weather this storm, and eventually we'll get past this and we'll be able to be with the friends and family that we really, truly love. Till next time, I'm Colin Smith, and it's my job to take a moment and connect with everyone out there.